Hello everyone, welcome once again. Today I'm making homemade noodles and I decided to share it with you. These are the ingredients that we'll be needing for making these homemade noodles. First I have 3.5 cup of all-purpose flour, an egg and 1 cup of water. So I'll transfer the flour into my mixing bowl, crack the egg into it and mix thoroughly until it is properly combined. You can actually make this without adding egg, but the best way to go about it is to add egg to it. After mixing the egg and the flour together, I begin to add the 1 cup of water to it bit by bit, then mix together. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want to have a very strong dough. This is so important because the stronger the dough, the better the noodles comes out. Knead the dough properly to ensure it is properly combined. After kneading the dough and it is properly combined, I'll cut into 3 equal parts. After cutting the dough into 3 equal parts, I will flatten with my hand, then proceed to the next step of making the noodles. The purpose of flattening the dough is so that I'll be able to insert it properly into the kneading machine. And here I have my kneading machine. Transfer the dough into the kneading machine and set it to 1 and knead. After kneading, bring it out, fold together and knead again. This process can be repeated thrice or 4 times until the dough becomes very smooth. So I'll still fold and knead once more. After kneading the dough 3 times, you can see how smooth it is. So I'll set it at 2, then begin to flatten the dough. After flattening it at 2, I'll set it to number 3 and flatten the dough once again. Next, I'll set to number 4 and flatten the dough once again. Repeat this process until you get to number 6. Then transfer into noodles cutter and cut into noodles. As you can see from the video, once the dough becomes flattened, it is time to transfer into the noodles cutter. flatten, set aside and repeat the same process for the other ones. So I'll just flatten at number 6, then take to the noodles cutter and cut. After cutting them, this is what they look like. It came out so nice. You can dry them if you are not cooking them immediately. But if you are cooking immediately, there will be no need for this. You can see how beautiful they came out. Repeat the same process for the remaining one. Flatten and cut into noodles. After cutting, transfer into a bowl. You can see how our noodles look like. Bring your water to a boil. Add salt to the boiling water. Then add the noodles to the boiling water. Stir and cover and cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn off the heat and strain the water from the noodles. After straining the water from the noodles, set aside and we'll go ahead to make the sauce for the noodles. To my preheated oil, I'll be adding some chopped onions. Stir and leave for a minute to fry. Then add some grounded pepper to it. And stir together also. After allowing to fry for some time, add some salt to it. To it also, I'll add some curry powder, some thyme, seasoning cube, and stir together. After frying for some time, I'll be adding to it some vegetable. Then allow to fry for about 2 minutes. You can actually make your own special sauce for your noodles. After frying for 2 minutes, it is time for me to add the noodles to it. Then mix together properly. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. After combining the sauce with the noodles, cover and allow to cook for about 2 minutes. Then you have your homemade noodles. This tastes so delicious and very easy to cook. This is noodles without preservative. Kindly like and share this video with your loved ones. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.